Google has just unleashed a new era of AI-powered search that is set to revolutionize the way we find information, shop online, and interact with the web. This is massive, folks. Seriously, one of the most insane things I've ever seen from Google. And today, I'm here to tell you all about it. So, what exactly is Google's new AI search, and why should you care? Well, as you may already know, Google is the undisputed leader in search engine technology. With billions of queries handled every day, it provides us with relevant results in the blink of an eye. However, Google isn't satisfied with just being the best. With the rising popularity of AI chatbots, people have started seeking answers from them instead of using Google. In response to this trend, Google decided to incorporate AI into its search engine. While Google has been using AI to improve its search algorithms for years, they are now taking it to the next level with generative AI. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content or data from scratch based on existing data or inputs. Google is using generative AI to enhance its search experience, providing us with more interactive, engaging, and creative results. They call this search experience Generative Search Experience, or SGE for short. The announcement of SGE took place at Google's annual developer conference, Google I/O, in May 2023. It was one of the highlights of the event, generating a lot of hype among AI and tech enthusiasts and experts. Google stated that SGE is the result of years of research and development in generative AI, and that it will revolutionize the way we use search. So what exactly is SGE and how does it work? SGE is a collection of AI-driven features that aim to make search more conversational, contextual, and creative. One of the key features of SGE is making search more conversational. Now you can use natural language to chat with Google and get answers to your queries. No more typing specific keywords or phrases. For example, if you want to find out how to make pizza at home, you can simply say, "Hey Google, how do I make pizza?" Google will respond with a summary of the steps and ingredients from a relevant website. You can even ask follow-up questions like, "What kind of cheese should I use?" or "How long should I bake it?" This conversational feature makes search more intuitive and natural. Another feature of SGE is making search more contextual. Google can now understand the context of your query and provide you with more relevant and personalized results based on your location, preferences, history, and other factors. For example, if you ask, "What's the weather like today?" Google will show you the weather forecast for your current location based on your device's GPS data. If you ask, "Where can I buy flowers?" Google will show you nearby florists based on your location and availability. And if you ask, "What should I watch tonight?" Google will provide you with personalized recommendations based on your watch history and interests. You no longer have to specify details or parameters. Google understands what you need, but perhaps the most exciting feature of SGE is making search more creative. Google can now use generative AI to create new content or data for you based on your query or input. For instance, if you ask, "Show me some cool sneakers," Google will present you with images of sneakers that don't even exist yet. These images are generated by AI based on your style preferences and current trends. And if you ask, "Write me a poem about love," Google will compose a poem for you using AI, taking into account your mood and tone preferences. No more settling for existing content or data. Google's AI search lets your imagination soar. Now you must be wondering how you can access this incredible new feature right now. Well, there are two ways to do it: through Search Labs or through Performance Max. Search Labs is a new program where you can try out new features before they're available to everyone. You can join by signing into google.com/labs and find experiments like chat mode or image generation. You can enable or disable experiments and use them by adding a hashtag to your search query. Search Labs is currently invite only, but they plan to expand it soon. The second way is through Performance Max, which is a campaign type in Google Ads for advertisers. It helps them reach customers across Google's platforms using AI. Advertisers create a campaign, provide information and assets, and use SGE to generate custom assets. Performance Max optimizes ads and shows them to relevant customers. Now let's talk about the competition in this space. As you can imagine, with such groundbreaking technology, the AI search space is getting fiercely competitive. One of the top competitors in this field is Vectara, a startup that claims to offer a better generative AI conversational search platform than Google. Vectara's platform differentiates itself from Google's by using hybrid search, which combines semantic search based on language models and Boolean exact match based on keywords. This approach helps Vectara find the most relevant results from millions of documents. Additionally, Vectara employs grounded generation, which means its generative system relies only on facts and data provided by developers and doesn't train models on users' data or create false information. Vectara also prides itself on being language agnostic, supporting queries and data in any language, and offering cross-language search results. They prioritize user privacy by not not storing or sharing personal data. Founded in 2022 by former Google engineers, Vectara has raised $25 million in funding and partnered with companies like Shopify, Slack, and Spotify. Of course, Google and Vectara are not the only players in the AI search space. Many other tech companies are integrating generative AI into their search experiences and competing for a share of this market. Microsoft, for instance, has been using AI to improve its Bing search engine for years. Recently, they announced several new features for Bing that utilize generative AI, including Bing Answers, Bing Image Generator, and Bing Content Creator. Elasticsearch, a popular open-source search engine powering many websites and applications, has also launched Elasticsearch Generative Search, EGS, a service that allows developers to leverage generative AI models from Google and other providers to quickly build AI-powered search capabilities. With these developments, the stock prices of Google and Vectara have seen significant positive movements. Analysts predict that Google's new AI search could potentially add $100 billion to its revenue by 2025. While Microsoft and Elasticsearch have also experienced some gains, they face more competition and challenges in this rapidly evolving space. Throughout the history of search engines, we have witnessed three major phases: information retrieval engines, answer engines, and now action engines. Information retrieval engines like AltaVista. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey into the future of AI-powered search. If you want to stay in the loop and never miss out on the latest updates, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us.